Okay, here we are at the top of our hill on our property, and we'll give a quick look around, and that's what we're here for. The view right out to the ocean, and there's Digo City where we live right over that way. And we're going to try to build our house right up on top of this little piece that sticks up. We'll level this off a bit, and then our property goes down that way. Wow. Don't know how much of the ocean I'm getting on my phone camera here. I forgot to bring the nice camera. Our property goes right over to the edge of those coconut trees there, and then down the hill that way. It is absolutely gorgeous here. So Ruby's over there talking to one of our prospective builders. There's Bing. That's what we're here for, this view. And this cool air that I can feel, nice cool breeze coming up the hill.